beautiful souls. I am Awakened Soul, and today we're going to review the crypto total market cap. We're going to start off on our weekly. We're going to go ahead and turn on our magnet here. Where is my line? We're going to put a resistance line. I want you to see right here in 2017 that resistance is playing a nice support in our present price action time here. So now we're gonna go ahead and pull a trend, this one, a trend-based fib extension from previous highs to the low, then back high. And I like to use my fib just to give me a good view of where the possible bounce could be next. And I'm just gonna highlight the fib really quick. I'm gonna use red. And just around the price action, right? So we'll have a support and a resistance. Let me go ahead and remove it. Okay. All right, so we have a historical support here. That was previous resistance, and we have our fib levels that price action could bounce around. So now that I'm in my weekly, I'm gonna set my weekly support and resistance using my pivot highs and lows. So this was my previous, this is my resistance here. I'm gonna turn it blue. This is my support. And just looking at price action, okay? Let's go to the daily. Within the daily, I'm gonna mark the high and the low, right? Okay, and if you're having a hard time finding highs and lows, you can most definitely use this beautiful indicator that I love. It's called the higher high, lower low indicator. I overlap two. I have one set at 9 and the other one is set at 30. And it just gives me a good view of where the highs and the lows are. Okay, so now that I am in my daily, I'm gonna put some trend lines from high to lower high, from high to most current high. Okay, let's move into our 4 hour here. So now I'm gonna do 4 hours. So just really quick, understanding market structure is really key to do technical analysis. Understand that everything is a cycle. You have a trend phase, you have, sorry, a trend accumulation, then you have another trend. You're gonna have, I'm so confused right now. You're gonna have an accumulation, a trend, accumulation, a trend, accumulation, a trend, accumulation, right? A trend up, accumulation. Then we had a trend down, a small little accumulation down here. That makes sense. And so on. Okay, so that's how the market structure works. And the reason I'm looking at the total crypto market cap is to also know if it's going up or down, right? If the market cap goes down, guess what? Cryptocurrency is going down. If it goes up, it's going up. So within my 4 hour time frame, I want to set my support right here, my resistance. I want to connect highs to see if there's any pattern that I'm missing, anything that I'm not seeing. That looks like a rising wedge, right in the 4 hour. So it looks like we're about to break it to the downside. Let me turn on my magnet to make sure that it's, so 1 touch, 2 touch. Okay, so I was not expecting that, but it looks like a rising wedge and it's about to break. What is breaking? If we have a confirmation candle close here in an hour and 35 minutes. And just really quick, let me show you right here in this little wheel. You could set countdown to bar close, and that'll just help you find out what time the bar closes. Okay, so we have a rising wedge here that is about to break to the downside. And if this breaks down, I have a target. This is a Joe target. One touch, two touch. This would be my next target. Okay. So super bearish. Let me look at my RSIs. So as you can see right here, price action was going up, and look at the RSI going down. Right, that is divergence. Okay. So another thing that I look at is using my pivot highs and lows on the 4-hour. I think 4 hours is really good. I also like to turn on my EMAs. I use the 12 and the 26 EMA to confirm the 4 hours. So when I have a 4-hour trend line and I see my 12 and my 26 EMAs cross, it's 2 of 3 indicators that I use to consider a short. Of course, we're not shorting the total market cap, but it's another confirmation for me to be like, okay, it is coming down. And my third confirmation will be previous support being broken. So at this point, we broke it. Okay, so I do want to show you that I did break this current support in the 4-hour and price actions below it. It did break our daily 4-hour trend line, and our 12 and 26 EMAs are crossing. So that just gives me confirmation that the total market cap is coming down. I have potential targets where I could bounce off, but yeah, so that's how I am checking the total market cap, just to confirm the bearish or bullish scenario. And I hope you enjoyed it, and remember to do everything with love and get prepared, because total market cap comes down, cryptocurrency will be coming down.